Hey guys, it's Luke. First I'd like to start off with saying thanks to OmniShaver and John for sending me this shaver to review. It's been an awesome product. I've been using it for about the last 3 weeks or so. I've used it daily. I've used it every 3-4 days just to see if it do both. It does do both very well. The longest I ever tried was 5 days and it was able to take the hair off right away. It's amazing how simple but awesome this product is. I'll lube my head and show you guys exactly how easy it is. This is about 5 days growth. I've just got such light hair. I figured it would be better for the video and you guys could actually see that it is taking off the hair. The shave with this product is pretty simple. All you're doing is you're taking the shaver and you're going both directions because it's got blades that go both directions. It's phenomenal. The only thing that I've had with it that took a little bit of a learning curve was you don't drag it side to side. You have to only going back and forth because when you do, you can cut your head a little bit. It happened, I think, the first time. After that, you just learn not to drag it. One thing that they say that I actually did found really awesome and time saving is you don't need to rinse this blade off. It will self-clean the whole time that you're shaving here. It just go. Most of the time when I was doing it in the shower. Obviously not wonderful for reviewing. But, so, I guess guys, here goes nothing. If you see here, you can just see how fast it's taking this hair off. And when I've got less hair, it obviously works a lot quicker. But as you see, I'm not rinsing it off at all, and all this hair is coming off. What I find is, for me, what worked best was these shorter strokes. I lent the shaver to a buddy and he for the longer strokes, so you'll just sort of kind of get your own rhythm fairly quickly. Just get in behind the ears, over here. As you can see, it's all one shave, one rinse. So, sorry guys, I actually missed a few spots here, but there you go. Great product. I've been using it for 3 weeks. It's shaving the same way as it did after the first shave. I think this product's going to last a long time. You definitely need to check this out. Again, thanks to John and OmniShaver.